The Labor Department's Inspector General says there's been more than $45 billion in potential unemployment insurance fraud since the pandemic hit.
The amount of fraud is definitely surprising.
You should be furious with your government.
Florida Senator Rick Scott says the government is to blame, and Drake Hagner, visiting professor at George Washington Law, agrees.
What we really have seen is that our state workforce agencies have been underprepared to respond to a crisis of this kind.
Old computer systems mean unemployment offices can't easily detect fraud, like when claims are filed in multiple states or when they're filed using the identity of someone who's in prison or deceased. And the issue with stolen identities impacted low-income workers most, because if they had their identities stolen, they were unable to easily fix the problem, because many state unemployment systems aren't compatible with mobile devices. Senator Scott recognizes the problem, but says there are other issues to fix before dedicating dollars to updating computer systems.
If you use computers to basically use a way to accelerate a bad system, you don't do anything.
We should have been looking all along at who is taking advantage of the system.
But Hagner says ultimately states will need the federal funding to fix the unemployment systems and prevent future fraud. In Washington, Alexandra Limon.